Alright, so I've gone ahead and cleaned up or removed materials that I need, and I've also removed some materials right up here on the ceiling. I think it will allow more space for the components inside, and for some reason the paint on the inside was giving me a very hard time to put the 3D printed chassis on, so kind of grinding those down just so I can have a rougher surface here. Now the window was one piece. I basically cut off the top portion here and we'll super glue these on. This actually these are actually the headlights, and so I will need to cut those off away from the main part here. Now this is the wiring diagram that I used. Although I did not use this particular ESC, you could use this wiring diagram to wire up your components to your receiver. Now's a good time to test the controls. Now, the reason why this particular casting is difficult is because the inside is very tiny and there's no room at all for me to work with, so I'm having to probably eliminate the windows altogether, because if I have the windows on, I don't think I will be able to fit any of this stuff in here. So for now the plan is to leave the windows off, and I'll see if I'll be able to make this work without the windows, or if possible I'll put the windows back on just to see. So it's exactly as I thought, where the space inside is not enough for all my components, so I have to leave out the windows and even the rear windows, because the receiver is actually right where the rear windows would be.